All right, so we have this mood board started, and I'd like to see if we can find some lighting to kind of soften this up and add some depth to what we're doing here. So let's give it a shot. So we'll upload this. Okay, so we're getting some greens. That's good. Maybe that's a contender. I'm kind of liking this shape where we've got kind of the circular forms in the mood board. So maybe there's some roundness there. Probably not any of the blue options. Maybe this green one here could be a contender. Maybe these two spheres. Maybe kind of a muted palette here. Let's see how that's going to look. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's do some comparisons here. I am kind of liking the shape of these pendants. What else? This might be a little bit saturated as far as the green. Let's see how it feels. Maybe. I am liking this because it has a little bit of the transparency to it, a little bit of depth. Doesn't feel quite so solid like everything else in the mood board. You have kind of this frosted glass with this option. See how that feels. Maybe, yeah, because we do have kind of this matte finish for that sample there. So maybe the matte of the light would be okay. All right, we've got some muted colors with this pendant. Let's see if it's maybe too much. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we've kind of got this muted orange, brownish color, maybe the green. I don't know. This is so punchy with the saturation of the colors, so maybe it wouldn't hold its own. Okay, last one. Let's see how this looks. Okay, I don't think that's going to be a contender. I feel like the brassy gold is a little bit distracting. There's too much going on, but I am kind of liking this one and probably this as possible contenders to go with this mood board. So we'll just have to work with it a little bit and see what the client thinks.